Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about cute fashion outfits. How to look cute. If you want to look cute, you can use cloth, makeup and hairstyle to create a sense of cuteness. Cute represent a natural, friendly and comfortable style. It suggests that you are approachable, kind and sweet. If you want to know how you too can look cute, here are some fun suggestions for you to try out wearing cute outfit. Wear cute cloth. Wearing cute cloth is the key to being cute. You don't have to change everything in your wardrobe to be cute. Instead, just look on acquiring a few cute items that tie all your clothes together in a cute way. Here are some ways to wear cute cloth. Wear skirt and dresses instead of pant or shorts when you can. The cardigan, knit sweater and vest, boot cut jeans and t-shirt with cute pattern like a heart or polka dot are cute form of clothing. Wear cloth that flatter your body shape you feel comfortable in and are not too big or tight. Wear light and positive colors. Wear the pastels like purple, pink or a shade of blue. Anything soft and pretty will make you look cute. Avoid a dark color like black, brown or dark blue. Try wearing something with a floral pattern. Floral pattern are the essence of cute. Wear cute shoes. Your shoes should complement your cute cloth to complete the cute look from the head to toe. Wear shoes that are stylish and trendy, coupled with brightly colored or patterned socks or tight. Follow these shoe tips to make your feet look cute. Wear clog, moccasins or closed-toed shoes with a round toe. Wear flat sandals and much more, as well as cute accessories. All these play important role in it and cute outfits, and the cute outfits are more necessary and compulsory to look you cute, as well as if these clothes are comfortable to you, it will be very much important and will be a positive effect on you as well as your level of comfort. And the color selection, while you are selecting your outfits to looking cute, is the pink color, and these type of light colors like Barbie dolls color and these type of colors makes you look more cute and more elegant. And all these outfits and all these styles to make you cute is very simple, as well as are not too much expensive, so you can easily afford them, and you can easily follow these tricky ideas in your cute fashion outfits. Regardingly, if you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much guys for watching.